Welcome back to another episode of the Teching You Out series here on YouTube, the series where I teach you how to use tech to elevate your business. And today we're going to continue on talking about Canva and how to use it to really maximize your business. Today's topic is we are going to create a brand kit in Canva. If you didn't see my last video, I referenced on what Canva is, how you can use it for your business, and the major key is to upload your custom fonts into the application so that you can have your brand fonts always readily available for you to create your content. So I'm going to link the last video down in the description box, but I'm also going to put it in one of the cards as well. And I want you to go ahead and check that out, and let's get right into teaching you how to create your brand kit in Canva. Welcome to another episode of my series, Teching You Out. My name is Chloe George. I am a creative entrepreneur, friends lover, interior designer, lover of all things tech and digital, but most importantly, your new biz BFF. In this series, I will walk you through the ins and outs of the tech software you will need to automate, organize, and elevate your biz so you can get back to doing the things you love most, which is creating. So make sure to check it out. So how to create your brand kit in Canva. So if you are on the pro version, as I mentioned before, you are going to go to your brand kit, which is what I'm on. You are going to upload your logos. So if you created your logos, even if you created them inside of Canva, you're going to just upload them here. Click the plus button, find your logos wherever you have them at, and import them. So what happens is that your logos will show up when you are creating an image in a folder that'll say logos. And that is very useful for you if you're going to watermark or add your logos to any of your branding, any of your images, right? So to get your brand colors, let's say that you have an image that you created or someone created a design palette for you with your colors. You are going to either add them from an image or you are going to add them individually by clicking the plus button and putting in the hex code of the font that you have been given. Now, to easily do it from an image, you're going to add the image, whatever that may be. For example, I'm going to do this image, and it's going to then upload here. We wait for it to upload. And then what it's going to do is it's going to, these little buttons, you hit the little three buttons. Let's just go back to this one. Hit the little three buttons. And you're going to click on where it says extract color palette. So you're going to click on that, and it extracted all the colors that it found on this image. You can either choose to keep it or remove it. Again, if it didn't come out exactly to your specifications, or if the colors didn't come out correctly, you can go in here and change the hex code to the actual codes that you were given if it doesn't completely match, because Canva's not going to completely match everything for you. Now, what I'm going to show you is what that looks like when you are creating an image. So I'm going to create a simple Instagram story. Now, I'm going to show you where your logos go when you do upload them. So on the left-hand side panel, there is an option for folders. You're going to click folders, and it's going to show you where you have uploaded all of your logos. If you only have 2 or 3, that's great. I have 1 million for whatever reason. I'll take this one out of here because I don't need that. That was just for the video. And so it'll be all housed here. Now that'll be where all your logos are. Now, in order to change your background to and use your font colors, you're going to click on any image or any part that can be customized color wise. You're going to hit this little color wheel. It does say background color. And then your colors, your brand colors that you have selected in your brand kit will show up here. And it'll say colors from wherever you pull them from. And then you can see I have them by my different businesses, but you can see yours kind of in the order that you had them in your brand kit. Now, of course, you can move that around. Let me go back to it. You can go into here and reorder these. So if you want it, I have 3 businesses and 3 brand colors that I do. So if I wanted to move this section up, just hit the little 3 buttons and reorder the palettes so that it shows up the way you want them here. Now, your brand colors show up on every single image that you create that can be customized color wise, right? You can change the colors. So you just use your brand colors. Again, you just change the background color and that's it. That's basically your brand kit, which is super helpful when creating your images. You can do the same thing with your brand fonts. What you do here is to add a font to here, you just select, it'll give you up to 3. So to give you the header, the subheading, and then the text, you can choose what size you want the header to be and what font that you want it to always use. You can do the same thing with the subheading, the font, and the size. So it's all going to auto default. So if I go back into the image and I select the text and I select the heading, it's going to be that font that I selected at the size that I selected. But you can always change that up here. Now, I did want to let you know that it's not set in stone, the size, you can always change it. So if I go here, this is set to like 14 or something really small. I don't remember, I think it was like 12. Okay, so this is set at 12. So if you wanted to change this from 12, just resize it like you would normally. Add a different color if you wanted to, or whatever the case may be. But you don't have to keep it. It's just going to auto default into the 3 fonts that you have selected. And as you can see here, any uploaded fonts, as I spoke in the previous episode, will go here and you'll be able to choose from that as well by going into your text here and going into the uploaded section. So that is it. That is your brand kit, how to upload your logo, how to use your brand fonts, and always have your nice little organized, me and my organization, organized brand kit always in Canva, ready for you to use. Makes your life super simple. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share with your friends, anybody who's in business, who just really wants to know about Canva, about all things tech, and let me know what else you'd like to see me touch on in Canva or anything else you'd like me to touch on. And see you again next Tuesday for another tech video.